Most YouTube creators are often out there and about online looking for ways to generate views to their videos. Now, although views is not the only metrics that determines the success of a video, generating a decent number of views for your video is something that you should definitely try to achieve on YouTube. After all, what's the point of uploading a video on YouTube if nobody is going to watch it, right? In this video, we'll be looking at some tips that you can start using today to generate more views to your YouTube videos, and we are starting right now. Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video, we'll be looking at some actionable tips that will help you get views to your YouTube videos over the long term. We'll also be looking at some unique tactics that you can put into action now to help generate quicker results with your targeted audience. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in making monies with YouTube videos as an affiliate beginner, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Now, if you want your videos to get more views and higher search results, you must first and foremost create a great or valuable video content. The truth is, if you can create a great or a valuable video content, generating more views to your videos will be a heck of a lot easier. People will easily share your videos on different social media networks if your video content is good. So basically, your viewers will end up helping you to promote your videos. Now, since I don't know your business or the type of audience you want or are targeting on YouTube, I cannot tell you exactly what you should be doing in order to create a great video. But what I can tell you is this: a great video content is content that provides value. So first, providing some kind of value in your videos should be your guiding principle when it comes to getting more views to your YouTube videos. In this video, for example, I'm providing value on how to get more views to your first YouTube videos. If you end up finding some value in the video, you might want to share it further, which will lead to more views to the video. If you don't know what type of value to share in your videos, you might want to learn more about your targeted audience and more specifically what they like. You can take a look at other YouTube videos in your niche that are getting more views, for example, and create a better video that provides more value. A simple little actionable tip that you can use when trying to add value to a video is by going through the comments area of the video to see if there is anything that the audience think was missing in the video, so you can add it in your video. Take for example, you can add value to this video you are watching by creating the same video with a checklist of the steps on how to get more views to your first video on YouTube. So you now see how simple it can be to add value to a similar content and make it unique. It shouldn't be that hard to create a better video when using other people's video as inspiration. Now, if you have done a good job, or if you happen to create a good video content that meets your targeted audience need, you'll find that your video will start getting more views. You have to always understand that YouTube is a media site that wants to improve their user experience. So the best way for YouTube to do that is by presenting their audience with content that is valuable. Now, if you end up creating a video content that provides value, it will get an increased number of comments, shares, and likes, which is all part of the metrics YouTube is using to rank or suggest videos on their platform. Next is optimizing your YouTube video. Now, optimizing your videos will help it appear when it should and where it should on the YouTube search results and related video suggestions. If you want to start optimizing your video, there are 4 things that you have to pay attention to. You have the video title, description, tags, and thumbnail. Now, if you have created a video around a particular keyword, you want to make sure that the video title clearly includes the keyword in question. So, if I created a video based on the keyword how to lose weight, for example, my video title might end up being something like how to lose weight in the next 7 days. As you can see in this example, the main targeted keyword how to lose weight is still within the video title, and the last part of the video title is just to entice viewers to click through. Now let's look at the description area to see how it can help your video get more views. The main aim of the description area is to clearly describe what the video is about, what people will learn as a result of watching the video. Now, although video descriptions are important, you shouldn't go too stressed out about it. Here is a basic actionable checklist for writing your video description. First, if you want to add a link to your videos, you may want to put that at the top of the video description area here. You want to include the keywords your video is targeting within the first few sentences of your description. You also want to add some keywords that are related to your targeted keyword within the description area, and you are good to go. Now, here is an example of how you can structure your video description. Of course, there are many different description structures that you can use. What's important is providing the story behind your video, what it covers, what people will learn as a result of watching the video. If you want to do something in the description area that will improve your user experience, consider providing timestamps in your video description so people can quickly get to interesting sections of the video. Now, for the tags area, you want to provide some keywords that are related to the topic of your video. When tagging your YouTube videos, try to use very closely related tags, because if your tags are not closely related, you will lose your target audience and dilute your search results data. Picking the right tags will also help your videos appear in the suggested videos section when someone is watching a related video. I'll be adding a video link in this video that pops up on the top right of this video on how to use the TubeBuddy tool to find related tags for your YouTube videos. Now, one of the simplest yet effective actionable tip to get more views to your video is by creating a custom thumbnail. You can look at a video title and thumbnail as a sort of 1-2 punch to grab a viewer's attention. Now, by default, YouTube takes screenshots from any given part in your video and uses it as a video thumbnail. Unfortunately, sometimes the screenshot that YouTube recommends that you use as your video thumbnail might be a blurry shot or a transition shot, which of course will not help your video get more views because it simply doesn't look good. By creating a custom thumbnail for your YouTube video will not only make your video look more appealing at a glance, but will also signal a certain sense that your videos are professional. Creating thumbnails doesn't have to be rocket science either. You can easily create a template with a particular font and style to make your thumbnails consistent and on brand. This can be made especially easy with the help of an image creation tool such as Canva. For some video creators, creating a custom thumbnail for each and every video that they create can sometimes be hard and takes a lot of time. You have to be a designer or hire one in order to keep creating attractive custom thumbnails for your videos that will get people to click through. And that's where tools like Thumbnail Blaster comes into play. Thumbnail Blaster is a web-based software that will create attention-grabbing and click-pulling thumbnails for any videos with literally 3 clicks. If you can point and click, you'll be able to easily create world-class high-converting thumbnails with Thumbnail Blaster. Just check out how you can create cool video thumbnails with Thumbnail Blaster in just 60 seconds.
Hey there! Creating breathtaking thumbnails that triple your views and traffic with Thumbnail Blaster is a piece of cake. The first thing that you need to do is select a video from your YouTube account. For this example, I will go with this video with my dog, Hera. The default thumbnail, well, sucks. So let's create a new thumbnail for this video using Thumbnail Blaster. All you have to do is click on Next, and as you can see, the artificial intelligence algorithm analyzed our video and suggested us these 3 thumbnail templates. Of course, if you want, you can close this and select one thumbnail manually from the huge list we have in Thumbnail Blaster. In this case, I will go with this thumbnail. It looks great. Click on Load Template, and that's it. Thumbnail Blaster extracted our title, downloaded the original thumbnail, and customized the whole template for us. If we want, we can simply use it as it is and save it. But let me show you how powerful our editor is. First, I will change the fonts for this text. Looks perfect. And I will also change the font for this. And this. Let me add a picture of Hera instead of this puppy. I just select the image from my computer, I flip it, resize it a bit, and that's it. I will also add one cool smiley face from our collections. I simply go to Shapes and select Emojis. Alright, this looks great. Let me rotate it a bit. Perfect. That's it. The thumbnail looks stunning. Let's save this and publish it to YouTube. There it is. The thumbnail that we just created in a few seconds is now published and active on our YouTube video. Let me open YouTube really fast to see how it looks. I will search for Paraboxer, and here is my video. Just take a look on how it looked before and how it looks now. Amazing, right? Take a look at all these other videos. On what would you click? On the one that has our custom thumbnail, right? You see, it's that easy to triple your click-through rate, your views, and your traffic.
Now, I will drop the link to the Thumbnail Blaster software tool in the description box below this video if you're interested to check it out for yourself. So now you have all the actionable steps on how to get more views to your first YouTube videos. And with that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.